Welcome back and thank you so much for joining me today. So we are going to be looking at perpendicular lines. A line to y equals 3 over 4, x take 1, and the perpendicular line must pass through 3 and negative 2. So the first thing we need to do is think about our gradient. We talked about a perpendicular line is at a 90-degree angle. And we also know that also means that our rise and our run are flipped. So I could just straight away say that our gradient for this line is 3 over 4. So that means M2 is our gradient of our second line, is we are just going to have 1 over M1. Our M1 is 3 over 4, so it's M2 equals 1 over 3 over 4. So M2 equals, I don't like writing it this way, so I'm going to change it. 1 divided by 3 over 4, which also equals, remember when we're dividing, we can flip it, the fraction and it becomes multiply. So I can go 1 times 4 over 3, which equals 1 times 4 equals 4 over 3, 4 over 3. So at the start I did say that we are able to just flip that fraction around and that will be our gradient for our our perpendicular line. So we know that M2 equals 4 over 3. We would like our perpendicular line to go through those points. So I'm going to mark 3 as x and negative 2 as y. This is where we now need to think about what is our equation for a linear equation. Our linear equation is y equals mx plus c. The only thing we don't know is c, and that's how we can work that out through substitution. So let's have a go. Y is negative 2 equals m is 4 over 3. X is 3 plus c. C is the unknown. So let's have a go. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go negative 2. If I've got 4 over 3 and I'm timesing it by 3, that's just saying 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 4 plus c. I would like c by itself, so I'm going to take 4 and put it onto the other side. So that means whatever I do to one side of the equation, I must do to the other. So I take 4 from this side, so I'm taking 4 from this side. So negative 2, take 4 becomes, yep, well done, negative 6 equals 4 take 4 equals 0, so I've just got C. We can go back to this and double check that. That's 12. Sorry, 4 over 3 times 3 equals 4. 4 plus negative 6 equals negative 2. So I've double checked my answer. Now what we need to do is write it without having keeping our y and keeping our x how it is. So y equals, m is 4 over 3, x, I've kept x, and I know what c is, it's negative 6, take 6. And that will be our perpendicular line that of y equals 3 over 4x, take 1, and it passes through 3 and negative 2. I really hope that helps you out with understanding perpendicular lines. If you need extra help, message me and I'll get back to you.